Hey guys, what's up? It's Christina here, and today I'm going to be going over how to get your custom URL with YouTube. So, if you're new to YouTube and you're using your channel for more than just watching viewers' other videos, then you may or may not be familiar with what a URL is. And in case you aren't, it's simply what people type in to go to your page directly versus using YouTube or Google to try to find you. Now, when I first started my channel, like about a month ago, I tried everything to get as many subscribers as I could in the beginning through family or friends, like most people do, but everyone had a really hard time trying to find me. So I did a little research and I figured out that in order to get a custom URL, there are certain eligibility requirements for your channel. So I'm going to try to put those right around here. But basically, you would like, the whole goal of this is to get a URL that isn't like this, crazy and long and drawn out and really hard to remember, to get it to be something like this, so that people know how to find you, it's easier to remember, easy to give out, etc. The number one biggest requirement to have a custom URL is going to be to have 100 subscribers. So in the scheme of things, that doesn't sound like a very large number, but if you're just starting out, then it can take some time to get up to 100 subscribers. So just be patient. When that option is available, I'll go ahead and show you in the next clip where to find that on your YouTube account so that you can go ahead and enable that. As far as I know, it doesn't enable on its own. It's something that you have to actually activate and set up within your account settings. All the other requirements are pretty simple. Verify your account, set up certain types of artwork for your channel, etc. Unlike being able to actually make money with YouTube, this one has no view time requirements, which is really nice. So I do thank them for that. Just keep in mind, the biggest thing with when you pick out a custom URL is to think about the overall trajectory of your channel long term, so you don't pick a URL out that's not going to make any sense later. There are plenty of YouTubers that have a URL and you're like, huh? That has nothing to do with what I just saw. That's because they probably started out with one direction, changed the direction, and the only way to change your URL once you pick one out is to start a brand new channel, and nobody wants to do that. So without further ado, we'll get to the second part of this video. Alright guys, so from your YouTube channel, you're going to go ahead and navigate to the top right corner, click on your little icon, go down to where it says Settings, and then from this page, you're just going to look for and click on View Additional Features. So from this page, you can see if your account's been verified properly or if it's still pending. You can see if you have any copyright strikes or community guideline strikes. Your page does have to be in good standing with YouTube in order to actually start making money on YouTube, but that's a video for a whole nother day and a lot more subscribers. Moving down, you can go ahead and see where you have all of your custom options for your YouTube channel. A lot of those have eligibility requirements. So if you ever wanted to learn more, just simply click on these Learn More links and it'll tell you how to obtain that goal. Once you are eligible, it'll switch from where it says ineligible to have an enable button right there on the right-hand corner. And then you can go and head to the next page and set that, including your custom URL. So that's right here is where that option is. So since I don't have 100 subscribers yet, I am not eligible for this. So here's what I'm proposing. If you're new to YouTube like I am, and you're trying to gain some traction for your channel, why not? Let's just help each other out. If you subscribe to my channel and then comment with your channel link below, I'll go ahead and subscribe to yours. So I'm proposing a subscribe for a subscribe. Now the subscribe that I give you might not be on this channel because this one I'm trying to keep as just subscriptions based on the genre that I'm geared up towards, which is going to be for mom life, tutorials, because I am a techie, clean with me, shop with me, vlogs, all of that kind of thing. I haven't done very many of those because I am 25 weeks pregnant, and being on my feet for long periods of time has been more difficult lately, but that is the overall trajectory that I see this channel going in. So if you want to hit the bell icon in addition to subscribing, that would be wonderful, but certainly not a requirement for me helping you back out. So thank you for watching today, and I hope that you gained some information from this, and I will see you guys later.